At this point, guys, is our first feed rate move. It is a Z move. You know how hard it is to do color coding?
No, how hard is it?
Does it make it hard to see?
No, it's fine.
Are you okay so far? Now, guys, just because it's got a variable in the line, that line is not optional. The format of that line remains the same. The placement of that line remains the same. The value of your spindle RPMs can change. The value of your tool can change, or your tool number. But the line, how it's written, where it's placed, is not optional. This is whatever your working depth is. You guys see that I'm going basically to that 7M print? We'll walk through that 7M print, or at least part of it. We'll get through to a tool change on it. So far, so good?
Would that 20 be a variable, your G20 on your CYA?
Not for my shop. This is programming according to Rick. This is in Rick's shop. This can change when you go work for Kenny. You'll follow Kenny's programming structure or M&M's programming structure. Does that make sense?
Also about inch or metric.
That maybe they do metric, maybe they don't. But keep in mind, guys, that this is what you will follow in class, not necessarily exactly what you'll see in industry. My goal is to get you used to following a programming structure. So I'm going to hold your feet to the fire on my programming structure. You know what comes next? Toolpath is absolutely correct. And it, of course, is variable. Whatever tool 1 is going to do to this part happens now. Whether it's facing, roughing, drilling, boring, I don't care what it is. Whatever you need to do with tool 1 comes next. You control the path of the tool in Toolpath to create the feature or the part that you're after. Let's talk about what happens at the end of Toolpath. When you've made your last Toolpath move, what I would like for you to do is rapid 1 inch above your part, and then turn your coolant. I just threw that. I'm going to drop down just a little bit. I'm going to call this tool change structure. I'm going to immediately, guys, get 1 inch above my part. I put myself back in rapid mode, and I've turned off the coolant. I usually have some type of a man-readable right here explaining the tool change. Very possibly a tool number, maybe even a tool description. If you need multiple lines, it's okay. If you want to put down here that I'm going to rough my profile, that I'm going to face my part, that I'm going to tap a 1/4-20, whatever the case may be, you can have multiple man readables. I don't recommend getting too crazy with this, guys. Don't write a book in your NC code. If you need information, put it in your setup documentation. Guys, the very next thing that you're going to do is call in a tool change.